Skip takeout because today we're making restaurant-worthy chicken fried rice and it's easier than you think. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. To start, you'll need some chicken. You can either do chicken breasts or chicken tenders. I find the chicken tenders a little quicker and easier to cut into bite-sized pieces. Once we're done with these, we're gonna give them a quick rinse and put them in a Ziploc bag or a bowl. But first, let's work on a marinade. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of less sodium soy sauce. Mix well, then add it to your chicken. Coat the chicken and let it marinate for a few minutes so the flavors soak in. For our sauce, add 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for color, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce, optional. Sometimes I like to add 2 teaspoons of Hoisin sauce, but I'm out today. This is optional, but I like it. Give it a stir and set aside. Now for peas and carrots, fresh or frozen will work. I quick thaw frozen ones by microwaving with a splash of water for 3 minutes. Then let them drain in the sink. Moving on, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil to a wok or a large pan. Once hot, add your chicken and sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We want to cook until it's cooked through, no pink inside. Once done, move the chicken to a plate temporarily. Now wipe the pan clean and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Whisk 4 eggs in a bowl, then pour them into your pan. Cook in sheet form, then break into chunks. Set the eggs aside on a plate. Wipe the pan clean and add 3 tablespoons of oil, then add your peas and carrots. Cook for a couple of minutes until tender. Now you'll need 1-day-old plain white rice. No butter, no salt. I have about 3.5 to 4 cups here. Do not use freshly cooked rice. A day-old rice dries out so it fries up fluffy and doesn't clump up. Fresh rice is too moist and mushy for fried rice. Stir fry with veggies for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything's hot and vibrant. Now it's time to add in the chicken. Then pour in the sauce, mix well, add your eggs and fold just until evenly combined. Now finish with a sprinkle of chopped green onions and we're ready to plate. I like to top mine off with a few more green onions. Are you ready for the taste test? Here we go. This dish is savory, comforting, and perfectly craveable without feeling heavy. Why get takeout when you can make it right at home? So good. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.